Got my radios. Alright, let's take off. Princeton traffic, Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor departing the apron. We'll be backtracking for runway 22.
celular sonando a las 3 AM. Yeah. Como de costumbre es un mensaje tuyo en el DM. Ya me puedo imaginar lo que quieres hacer. Si tú me tiras, sé que solo una cosa puede ser. Cuando quiera que te dé, baby, yo voy. Tengo de caliente cuando no estoy, porque yo soy tu toy boy. Donde quiera que explicaciones, ey, pa' ver no sobran las razones. Y si te dan ganas, yo soy tu juguete. En la cama te pongo grilletes. Tú eres mi tentación. Empezó como un juego y ahora es adicción. Y si te dan ganas, yo soy tu juguete. Lo das todo pero no te comprometes. Tú eres mi tentación. Tus gemidos han vuelto mi religión. Cuando quiera que te vea, baby, yo voy. Tengo de caliente cuando no estoy, porque yo soy tu toy boy. Donde quiera que te dé, baby, yo te doy. Si no como sabes a lo que voy, porque yo soy tu toy boy. Otra vez mi celular sonando a las 3 AM. Como de costumbre es un mensaje tuyo en el DM, mami, y de una yo lo leo pa' ver si es lo que yo creo. Estaba durmiendo pero por ti yo voceo. Hace tiempo que no te veo. Cuando quiera que te vea, baby, yo voy. Tengo de caliente cuando no estoy, porque yo soy tu toy boy. Donde quiera que te dé, baby, yo te doy. Si no como sabes a lo que voy, porque yo soy tu toy boy.
Transmitting traffic does no emergencies, almost a passenger due to the northeast of Long Island.
DJ no one, OP.
Traffic, Cessna 172, Victor Yankee Juliet, going up on the south end of Harrison Lake, descending through 7,000 for 65, headed westbound for low mainland. Tracking northbound, westbound.
26, traffic traffic, Missoula Hollow area, Cessna 172, Golf Oscar Papa Victor, over the High Point of Hollow Pass, 7,700 feet, eastbound Princeton Street.
Open traffic, Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor. We are 6,600 feet approaching from the northeast, and we'll be overflying the field to Pitt Meadows. Hope traffic, Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor. We are 6,500 feet overflying the field. We're heading southbound to Pitt Meadows.
Chilliwack traffic, taxiing to Golgol Papa Jurat, taxiing to hold for runway 25.
Chilliwack traffic, Sierra Bravo Delta. We're on a wide left base. You should have lots of time.
Golf Papa Jurat. Yeah, we're on Charlie taxiing, so you guys, don't worry, you guys got the slot.
Sounds good.
Traffic, Sierra Bravo Delta, on finals in touching go, say straight away to departure.
Chilliwack traffic, Sierra Bravo Delta. We'll be doing a straight out departure, 2,500 feet. Chilliwack traffic, Cessna 172, Golf Juliet Papa Romeo, just northeast of Chilliwack Mountain, Oregon Joint Circuits. Chilliwack traffic, Juliet Papa Romeo, right downwind. Correction, left downwind, 25 for low and over. North traffic, coming.
So the traffic here above Delta with clear zone. Valley 2053 entering the Chilliwack traffic to Papa Romeo on final for low and over. Back up the Echo Golf Charlie is on the left downwind 25 for PFO. Traffic, go South Quebec, traffic on the downwind. Can we roll on the runway for a takeoff, or are you sure?
We're on a PFO, so if you can do it quick, go ahead.
Chilliwack traffic will wait, go South Quebec.
Okay, we check that Echo Golf Charlie turning to final, huh? Chilliwack traffic, Juliet Papa Romeo off the runway. Traffic 172 Golf Echo Delta Charlie on downwind, left downwind runway 25 for full stop. PFS. Traffic on base to final, you guys on the low and over again?
We're just doing touch and go, Juliet Papa Romeo.
Okay, we check that.
Chilliwack traffic, go South Quebec. Clear the circuit 1,000 feet, heading towards Abbotsford. Traffic Echo Charlie is on final 25 for a VFR full stop.
Chilliwack traffic, go south to west, 1 mile south of Chilliwack Mountain, clear the zone.
Traffic to Papa Romeo, cleared runway 25, we'll do another circuit.
Mission traffic, Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor, 2,500 feet, just approaching Mission City from the east. We're westbound to Pitt Meadows.
Suba Southern traffic, Cherokee Golf Sierra Golf Echo is 3,500 feet. Eastbound to Chilliwack, just passing south, correction north of the Mission Bridge at the moment, and in easterly direction, north of the Fraser River, Golf Sierra Golf Echo, destination Chilliwack.
Too much traffic southbound to Gulf West Key, about 1 mile north of Chilliwack Mountain. 3,500 will be done spent and recovering by 3,000 feet.
And we are also just north of the Mission Bridge at 2,400. We are westbound to Pitt Meadows.
Have you inside this red color aircraft?
Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor, we're just over the highway currently, just north of Mission Bridge.
Suba traffic, this is Cessna 172 Golf Echo Juliet Golf at 2,000 feet right now over Harrison Mills, going back to Abbotsford following number 3 road.
Mass traffic, Tango Papa Quebec south of Harrison Mills, 1,700 in a descent, will soon be southbound for Chilliwack. Cessna 172 Golf Oscar Victor over 264.
Tower visibility 20 to 2,000 view. Altimeter 3015. Approach. Visual runway 26 left. Landing and departing runways 26 left and 26 right. Due to reduced system capacity, VFR aircraft may anticipate delay. Circuit training will be limited. Inform ATC that you have information Delta. Pitt Meadows information Delta.
Bravo Zulu Quebec, tower cancel, rail yard departure, right turn out, northbound, no restrictions, cleared to take off, runway 26 left.
Bravo Zulu Quebec.
Foxtrot Juliet Echo, line up runway 26 left.
Oscar Echo.
Whiskey Quebec Oscar, continue number 1, expect clear and short final, traffic will be departing.
Whiskey Quebec Oscar.
Delta Max Sierra Delta runway 26 right, technical.
Mike Sierra Delta number 2, runway 26 right, follow Cessna right base.
785 Max Sierra Delta.
Yankee Papa November tower.
Yankee Papa November.
Yankee Papa November tower, runway change, runway 26 right, make a right turn out, join the right hand circle.
Papa November, right hand circle.
Pitt Tower, Cessna Golf Extra Golf Victor, we're over Albion, inbound to land with Delta.
Foxtrot Juliet Echo tower, climb unrestricted, cleared for takeoff, runway 26 left.
Oscar Echo, thank you.
Whiskey Quebec Oscar tower, continue number 1, expect clear and short final.
Whiskey Quebec Oscar.
Golf X-ray, Golf Victor, Pitt tower, squawk out in. Whiskey Quebec Oscar tower, traffic ahead is also on the Walnut departure, follow them, climb unrestricted, clear to touch and go, runway 26 left.
Whiskey Quebec Oscar.
X-ray Golf Victor tower identified, runway 26 left, altimeter 3013, cleared straight in.
Cleared straight in for Extra Golf Victor.
Pitt Tower, this is Echo Fox Yankee, downwind request touch and go.
Echo Foxtrot Yankee number 2, runway 26 left, follow Cessna, turning 1.5 mile final.
Number 2 with traffic, Echo Foxtrot Yankee.
Bravo Zulu Quebec Tower, just be advised that traffic at your 11 o'clock will be joining the circuit just past behind them, please.
Bravo Zulu Quebec Tower, this side.
Roger.
Tower, this is Cessna Foxtrot Juliet Echo. There's a dead bird just south of the numbers to the right side.
Sorry, that was Foxtrot Juliet Echo. There's a dead bird to the right side on the south of the numbers.
Yeah, just before the numbers, just before the numbers to the north side, my bad, Foxtrot Juliet Echo.
Foxtrot Juliet Echo, okay, check, thank you.
Foxtrot.
For Tower, this is call Yankee Papa Napa, I count with the requesting the introduction loop.
Alpha Mike Papa, clear to touch and go runway 26 left.
Mike Papa, please.
Yankee Papa November number 2, runway 26 right, follow Cessna half mile final, PFL approved.
Yankee Papa Napa, number 2, PFL approved.
Tower, Cherokee Foxtrot X-ray Kilo Papa.
Foxtrot X-ray Kilo Papa, good there.
Foxtrot X-ray Kilo Papa is 20 set 2,000 feet inbound, touch and goes on runway 26 right, requested with information open.
Foxtrot X-ray Kilo Papa Tower, okay, stand by. Mike Sierra Delta, clear touch and go runway 26 right.
Clear to touch and go, Mike Sierra.
Bravo Zulu Quebec Tower traffic just east of Swanee sets in orbiting Cherokee 2000. Surveillance service terminated. Change down the frequency.
Bravo Zulu Quebec.
Echo Foxtrot Yankee Tower. Use caution. There's a dead bird reported just before and to the right of the numbers for 26 left. Clear to touch and go runway 26 left.
Echo Foxtrot Yankee.
Foxtrot X-ray Kilo Papa Pitt Tower. It's unfortunately a little bit busy right now for circuits. Did you want to stay outside the zone and try back in a little bit, or come in for a full stop?
X-ray Kilo Papa will come in for a full stop.
X-ray Kilo Papa Tower, roger, runway 26 right, altimeter 3013, cleared Meadow Gardens arrival, your altitude restriction is cancelled.
Meadow Gardens arrival, X-ray Kilo Papa.
Tower, Echo Mike Papa, ready on Alpha.
Yankee Papa November Tower, Abernathy departure, climb unrestricted, cleared, touch and go, runway 26 right.
Yankee Papa Napa.
Echo Mike Papa, line up, runway 26 left.
Echo Mike Papa, line it up.
Tower, Tango Whiskey Echo, Tower, request touch and go.
Tango Whiskey Echo number 1, runway 26 right.
Tango Whiskey Echo.
Mike Sierra Delta, continue the turn directly into the downwind.
Mike 009.
X-ray Kilo Papa Tower, for your planning, you're going to be following Cessna traffic just south of the Pitt River Bridge, turning downwind.
X-ray Kilo Papa looking.
X-ray Kilo Papa, roger. Cancel the Meadow Gardens. Just join a mid-right downwind, please.
Right wind downwind, mid-right downwind, X-ray Kilo Papa.
Echo Mike Papa, Walnut departure, climb unrestricted, clear for takeoff, runway 26 left.
Echo Mike Papa.
Foxtrot Juliet Echo, surveillance service terminated, change down to frequency.
Foxtrot.
Alpha Mike Papa, tower runway change, runway 26 right, continue downwind, I'll call your base.
Alpha Mike Papa, continue downwind.
X-ray Golf Victor Tower, be advised, dead bird was reported just before and to the right of the numbers. Use caution, cleared flight, runway 26 left.
Extra Golf Victor.
Tower, Max Sierra Delta. Runway 26 right, touch and go.
X-ray Kilo Papa Tower, you can turn back to the base now. You're following traffic at your 11 o'clock and 1.5 miles on the late downwind.
X-ray Kilo Papa looking.
Yankee Papa November Tower, continue northbound until you're north of the bridge before turning for Abernathy.
Yankee Papa Napa.
Whiskey Quebec Oscar, surveillance service terminated, change down to frequency.
Whiskey Quebec Oscar.
Echo Foxtrot Yankee Tower, runway change, runway 26 right, continue downwind, I'll call the base.
26 right, Echo Foxtrot Yankee and Papa.
Tango Whiskey Echo, clear to touch and go, runway 26 right.
Tango Whiskey Echo. Tower, Max Sierra Delta Top, downwind 26 right, technical.
Mike Sierra Delta number 2, follow Cessna traffic at your right base.
Number 2, Max Sierra Delta Top, copy inside.
X-ray Kilo Papa Tower, just want to confirm you have the traffic now. You're 12 o'clock, 1 mile, just about the turn base.
For Kilo Papa, we have it.
X-ray Kilo Papa, roger. Number 3, follow them.
For Kilo Papa, Wilco.
X-ray Golf Victor, exit Bravo, contact ground 123.8.
X-ray Golf Victor.
X-ray Kilo Papa Tower, if you'd like one circuit, I can accommodate that.
For Kilo Papa, roger, we'll take that.
Roger. Alpha Mike Papa, third base now.
Alpha Mike Papa, turning base.
Echo Fox Yankee number 5, runway 26 right, follow Cessna ahead, turning left base.
Number 5 with traffic, Echo Fox Yankee.
Pit ground, Cessna Golf X-ray Golf Victor, 1 Bravo, requesting taxi to apron 1.
X-ray Golf Victor, ground taxi via Bravo, apron 1.
X-ray Golf Victor. Ground, is it possible for X-ray Golf Victor to close off flight 1?
X-ray Golf Victor, I'm unable. It looks like you were tagged up on a 1200 code, so I don't have any way to set the closure. You'll have to call.
Roger that, I will give him a call. Thank you, X-ray Golf Victor.
Big ground, South 45 on 26 left. First has been retrieved, requesting apron 1.
Zephyr 5, ground roger, proceed via runway 08 right Alpha, apron 1.
South 45.
Bravo, Fox Yankee ground, staff vehicle exiting at Alpha to apron 1, just give way to them. Bravo, Yankee. Bravo, Yankee Zulu, same for you, staff vehicle is just exiting at Alpha at apron 1, give way to them.
Bravo, Yankee Zulu. Is on apron 1. Did anyone make a report for a bird strike, or was it just found by and reported by any pilot?
Zephyr 5, negative. No one made a report of a bird strike. It was reported by someone just holding up the line before they departed that they saw it on the runway.
Zephyr 5, copy that.
Ground, Bravo Yankee Zulu for your